Welcome to the Nomadic King channel. I'm James Showers, cleanest name in the biz, and today I'm joined with Cuddles, our scent specialist. This is the Dapper Yankee soap, and this is what I like to call the soap bar trio. We have Sierra Pine shampoo bar, a tea tree face bar, a citrus blonde IPA body bar. We do have some exfoliating oatmeal in this body bar, and we'll be looking at these in this video. Now, this isn't exactly your typical soap review from this channel. This is a slight advertisement, but really I'm just trying to offer you guys the 30% off that Dapper Yankee is giving you guys right now. Through this month only, you get an extra 30% off with Showers 30 code. He's going to be changing some formulas, some scents, and updating his product, and he'd like to go ahead and push some of this soap on out there. If it's not a month of October and you still want to get some of this soap, 20% off with Nomadic Ink 20. Now, I'm not here to sell you a bunch of soap. If you guys want to get some of this, awesome. But I do want to show you a few things. Like the shampoo bar is one of the coolest ways to actually wash your hair. It's pretty fun. We'll be diving into some shampoo bars from some other manufacturers here on this channel. Now, when we're looking at this citrus blonde IPA, this is basically an IPA, orange essentials, oats, and that's it. Oils and butters will make up the ingredients. When we're diving into the face tea tree bar, this is tea tree, peppermint, and activated charcoal. It's good for most all face types, and it's great for certain conditions that you might have for your skin. Now back to this shampoo bar, we have a little bit more oils and butters. We have olive, palm, castor, coconut oils with some shea butter and some black walnut, aspen bark extract. A few other ingredients in there as well, but this is an awesome bar. We'll dive into a close-up, we'll chop this stuff up, we'll use it for a little bit, and I'll come back to you guys with an update.
The Dapper Yankee's got a pretty smooth looking logo here. We're not going to dive into too much of the up close personal on each of these bars because we do have a video that goes over the scents they offer as of now. We will chop up the soap, and that will be your soap saving tip of the day. I can typically get a lot more life out of each bar when I chop it. In this portion of the video, we're just going to suds up each bar real quick. As you can see, I'm working on the shampoo bar, switch over to the face bar, get a grayer lather from the charcoal, and then we're going to jump to the body bar. All of them lathered great.
Alright, as you can see in my shower, all that soap lathered up pretty good. My hair is squeaky clean, my face is feeling good, my skin is feeling fresh. The scent from the IPA Citrus Blonde was actually a lot better than I expected it to be honest. I really enjoyed the orange citrus smell that it provided, and all the other ones smelled great as well. Like I said, this isn't exactly a soap review. Kinda is, kinda isn't. It's a little bit of advertising for Dapper Yankee, upcoming new brand. The guy that runs it is a great dude. I work with him. Just thought I'd throw that out there. If you want 30% off, use the code. It's up there. If that ain't working, you want 20% off, use this other code. If you don't like this soap brand, check out my other reviews on other soaps you can get. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Like, share, subscribe. You know how YouTube works. Peace.